So are you a crypto wallet? Now you want to create your Venom Blockchain Wallet. Let me check it out. Let me take you how to do that. There's nothing you cannot find on your Play Store. Let's search for the Venom. Sorry guys. Venom, you can see Venom Wallet. Just click on Venom Wallet here. And this is it, Venom Blockchain Wallet. Click on install. Let's wait for it to install. There's a lot of wallet that you can use. We have Trust Wallet, we have Binance, we have Bitget. Now here it is Phenom. It's very easy for those that know how to use the Phenom. This is how you're going to do it. Just come here, install it, and just take your time, go through everything. It's very easy. There's a lot of wallet that you can have to trade, to buy and sell anything. So let's wait for it to install. Finish. You can see it's still installing. So let's wait for it. Yeah, I think it's almost done. Now we have 99. Yeah, it's installing already. You can see it's installing already. So I'm going to open it for you to see how this premium wallet looks like. Now click on open. Okay, we're waiting for it. Yeah, they say welcome to premium wallet. Let's create our account. Now, this is the sign into the decentralized exploration. Yes, select now. Save this. Now it asks you to save all this. So you're going to use it to set up your account. So now, do you want to copy all words? I've copied all the words. Now, let's go there. Click on select. Click on copy all words. I think we are done. Now let's check the seed weight. Now this is it. The first word they give us here, you're going to. So I would advise you write it down on the paper so that you'll be able to remember it. So once you get to everything, so I mean, just go through every step here. Write everything down on the paper. Once you write everything down on the paper, just put the first word, put the second one, put the third word, put this, and once you're done with it, just click on confirm. Then you'll be able to set up your wallet very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe, and drop comments on any other crypto wallet you wanted to be using and you didn't know how to go about it. Trust me, I'm gonna drop a tutorial on it. Thank you guys. Happy trading.